Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Treasure. To start with, I am not a financial advisor and no content on this channel should be taken as a financial advice. Any content provided on this channel is my personal opinion and for educational and information purpose only. For further info, please refer the description of this video. Thank you. In this video, I am going to share with you my top 5 meme coin picks that I currently hold or planning to buy on this dip. I have few more meme coins that I would like to share, but to keep my video short, I will be sharing them in my upcoming videos. For those of you who do not know what meme coins are, they are similar to penny stocks. These coins carry high risk but also have good potential of high returns. The first two coins on my list may not come as a surprise to many, as they are quite popular and widely spoken about. These coins are currently sitting at a very low price, making it a good opportunity to get in if at all anyone is planning to enter crypto space. So coin number 1, that is SafeMoon. If I check the chart pattern for 180 days, even if I had taken 90 days it would have been similar. So it did a all-time high mid of May and then it has been dropping down and currently in a consolidation phase. So it's not just about SafeMoon or any other coins. Overall market has been down since the mid of May. I mean the cryptocurrency. So all the altcoins, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, all have fallen, say 60, 70 or even 100%. So the next coin on my list is Shiba Inu. Again, if I check the pattern, it did an all-time high again somewhere around mid of May and then it has fallen. So current price for all these coins makes or gives us an opportunity to buy on this dip, because all these coins have good potential to go back to the all-time high or even further. The next coin on my list is Kishu Inu. Again, if I check the 180 days or even 90 days chart, so mid of May, since then it has been falling. So it's nothing to do about these coins that they don't have potential or they are doing bad. It's just the overall market of cryptocurrency is currently down, which in fact makes a good opportunity or gives us a good opportunity to get in if at all we missed to buy at a lower price earlier. The next coin on my list is Poor Finance. Again the same pattern but on a different day, but it had come down. It did all-time high here, came down and then again tried to go high. Because of the current market it couldn't, so it has fallen, making it a good opportunity again. It has fallen almost 94%. So that's coin number 4, and the last coin on my list is Elongate. So if you see or notice the pattern, all coins have fallen somewhere around the same day, I mean somewhere around the same period. So mid of May, that's when crypto market fell, and it is still in downtrend for the moment. Not downtrend but in a consolidation phase. So this is actually a good opportunity if at all anyone wants to enter crypto space. So the way I try to find these coins and add to my list or purchase is to see those popular coins, plus I check the number of people who are interested in this, who are following or liking these coins. If you see all the coins, they have good number of people following, liking, and talking about this. So if you see Spo Finance around 12.5k, this is on CoinGecko, and if you check on Coin Market, you will have similar people following. So Kishu has like 33,000. Shiba and SafeMoon will have much higher. So there's Shiba Inu and SafeMoon. So this way I don't get into any coins blindly just because there's just meme coin coming up. I just do my own research, and then if I feel that these coins have potential, that is when I get into this. So with that, I will end this video. I wish you all good luck and success.